Hey guys.
Hey you guys.
Ready for the big day?
We're ready. We're like just about to walk down the aisle. We wanted to call you. We wanted to call you first.
What do you think?
Wish we could be there, but
I know.
I just have to that you FaceTimed us.
Of course we did. I've got to say goodbye, but I love you guys. I'll send you pictures later.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
See you guys.
Bye.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
These past few days in Hawaii have been pretty awesome, I think I can say for everybody here. A beautiful couple with wonderful family and friends coming together at an awesome location to celebrate their love of one another. It's been such a cool experience watching so many friends and family develop new friendships and relationships this week because of Zach and Kate.
Zach Phillips. Standing here feels a bit unreal, but at the same time, couldn't feel more right. Who knew when we met at that hot dog stand a few years ago that we'd end up falling in love, traveling the world, starting a business, and getting married right here in Hawaii. It was apparent how easy life and love could be when I first took you home.
Katie, these last 3 years with you have been the best years of my life. How do you break it down? You've taught me that the most important things in life are the relationships you build and maintain and the experiences that you share. And there's truly no one that is better at those things than you. You are beautiful, inside and out, the woman of my dreams, my person, and the one that I'm somehow lucky enough to get to spend the rest of my life with.
I just got nervous.
You look beautiful. You look good, kid.
Oh, you guys look good.
Vic, you look incredible.
Oh, I didn't think I was gonna cry.
I know.
I didn't even think.
This sucks, I'm lovesick. Too important to rush this. I'd miss our kiss if it ever left my lips. No one I know sticky on my mind when I go except.
Okay, here we go. Grab on tight.
Next time you walk across this lawn, you're gonna be married. Man.
I know.
I'll kiss if it ever left my lips. No one I know sticky on my mind when I go except you. But you're just friends with listens with pens and this.
I vow to love you for you. For exactly who you are, quirks and all. I promise it's you and only you. And Zach, I vow to squeeze that booty till the day I die.
If you guys would have asked me a few years ago if I ever thought that my sister would be getting married in Hawaii, I probably would have said, yeah, that sounds about right. Kate has always had this really adventurous spirit and zest for life. She's always been willing to push the boundaries and wanting to explore new places. So I can't imagine what it was like to have me as a sister, because I actually called her a week before we got here and I was like, Kate, am I gonna die on this hike? And she said, probably not. Kate's loyal and strong and as independent as they come. And she's always looked after everyone in her life. But she never really had anyone to look after her as much. And I knew Zach was it because I saw that Zach would do whatever it took to make you happy and feel safe. Whatever adventures you choose now, you'll choose to take on together and vice versa. Katie and Zach, I'm so happy for you guys.
All that I can do is say
I've had the pleasure of seeing Zach grow up from, from growing up from just a skinny kid playing tennis out on the tennis court, peeling off with a trophy, bouncing behind his car, to a successful man who now gets to marry the woman of his dreams tonight in paradise. And that's not something that you get to see very often, and I'm really glad I got to see it from my best friend, and I'm so happy for both of them, To Zach and Katie, to a lifetime more of memories, adventures, and milestones. I can't wait to experience it all with you guys and be there with you guys as you go through it all.
all that I can do is